So today I got these, let's see here. I got this Gundam Wars card. They're special edition 30th Memorial Edition. What it is basically all the MSB, high grade and real grade and master grade and perfect grade box art turned into a card. So the box art's turned into a card. As far as I know, there is no starter pack for these. They just comes in a booster packs. And so yeah, you basically get this whole bunch of booster card here, like packs here. So yeah, you just get a booster pack like that. And so there's 10 in one packs. And I believe there's 20 packs in this whole box, so you get 200 cards, and there's 81 type to collect. So let's go ahead and open one. Let's see what I got. Like I said, these are all the box art of a kit. So as you can see, zoom in right there. Okay. So Titans, Baú. So yeah, these are all the cool box art. Yeah, basically 20, you get 20 like that of these. Oh, and these are just some of the ones I already opened. And you get some rares like that, like the shiny right there. Yeah, so you get 200 in this whole box. I got it from Hobby Link Japan. I suggest everyone to get it if it's still on sale. So yeah, thumbs up. Thanks for watching.